This time around, I want to show you some superb natural soaps that have been made of natural ingredient, and they are just all organic that you can really rely on when it comes in terms of making soap. If you want to use them for whitening soap or how you want to use them, you can trust on them. All right. In a quick one, I just say one more time. If today is your first time coming here, welcome. Now we talk about black soap. You all know how black soap it is. In as much you can use this for whitening. Also, basically, it's for moisturizing the skin. You can use this soap, and it will moisturize your skin and give you this glow color you'll be needing. Your skin will be glow. For those, some people said black soap darken them, while some said black soap just make their beauty comes out. For those who have black color and who have much melanin on the skin, and other than the fact that we just like removing this melanin from our skin, please be kwanu, okay? It's sometimes you leave the nature, to be on its own state, other than to alter it. You understand? So if you're using this black soap and it's not giving you any side effect, keep using it, because it will bring that color you've been looking for, that genuine dark color, yeah? To make that color, to motivate, it will ignite your beauty out. That's what I'm trying to say when you're using black soap, because of the natural ingredient they use for black soap. Okay. Then again, I want to show you some other soap that you can really count on too. All right. This Oshapapa soap also. Are you getting it? All these are organic. I'm showing you. Are you getting it? Yes, this Oshapapa, you can see that it's just like a carrot. We have other different type of Oshapapa that are not like this. They are different colors. All right, there are different colors, like this Kampala soap also. So this soap, I only want to let you understand that other than being making your skin lighter, because it's a lot of people, they be using it and yet it don't lighten them. They use it to premix, but there's a way where you use it to premix with the right formula. Yes, it's gonna work because it's made of natural ingredient also. These are organics I'm showing you, and I want to show you another one also. This ozone soap. These are ozone soap that you can really count on. So these soaps, you can really use them to promise a good whitening soap also for your customer, for your client. You can use them. Yeah. Some people were asking me, can you use this soap to wash your body alone like that? I would advise you that you should use one of these direct on your skin, because when you notice that sometimes your skin inches you when you use them direct. Are you getting it? Because I think they contain some a little bit chemical which are really highly effective. So using them direct to your skin is prohibited, to me, to my own understanding. So I would want to say, you might use it once, didn't do anything to you, so you say, I think it's good for my body because it doesn't do something hot to me. That is, it could be for then or for now. All right, as time goes on, you can see maybe some side effects. So all I will always ask you to do is use it to premix, use it to mix another soap, use it to do something else. All right, because of how effective it is. So we have different colors of it. All right, in a quick one, yes, I still have some other colors I want to show you. All these are still ozones that you can use to make a very good whitening soap. Are you getting it? Yes, and also don't forget we have this carrot balls also. Like I've been telling you about this carrot balls. This carrot ball now one better soap when we say when they look they throw away eye. Although some people are they are allergic to carrot, so that is it. So it might cause you some side effects. So you can just scoop that. I mean, skip it off. Don't use it for on your I mean, when you promise, don't use it for on your own style, your own process. You can just remove this and replace it with some other soap. Are you getting it? But other than that, if you know it doesn't do that to you, you can use it to promise. It's very, very good. Okay. We still have this blue ozone too. This is still ozone, nothing more. All right. Then this is Ghana white balls. You know, it's very good, very good. It works for pimples also. It works for pimples. Can remove a lot of pimples when you use it to promise very well. Are you getting it? So always have this in mind that this is very good too. Now I want to show you anti-pimples. You know, this one I think a lot of people know about this one. Today I said if they never buy them, their body never rest. Are you getting it? But it doesn't really matter. You can still replace it with any other anti-people. We have okay, it's quite far from me. I could have shown you another way that you can use to replace this. All these are soaps. They are just organic that you can really use. You can really use and it will work. If not glowing soap you won't do, if not black soap you won't do, if not whitening soap, or if not bleachy soap, you can, there's a way you mix all this and they will work for you. But using that directly, I didn't advise that. I don't advise that. All right, in a quick, what do I want to show you again? Okay. This is a base soap that you can really count on, because a lot of people they be asking about this base soap. This base soap, right? It's one of base soap that you can count on. It's just pure color like this. We have different colors anyway, but it will really help. You know, you can use this OLED and with other of your additives, it will come out very well. Are you getting it? That is that. So this thing I want to show you again, I want to show you this and that. I want to show you, this is what we call e-wax, you know, emulsifying wax. For those of us who be looking for original, you know, those ones the way you use later it will, because somebody got one and they said he got many to the US. When he used them, said after some time they dissolved, they melt. So after he started giving different, I said those ones, I don't know, we have different type of emulsifying wax, you know. Maybe you've got the one that you can use for some other product, you can use for some other stuff, and for you use them, they mistakenly sell them for you thinking it's one for lotions. All right, you can use this one's original, and this one you talk about your salicylic acid, you know. Yes, you talk about your salicylic acid. This one is original, you know, original from the base. So always have this in mind that we have all this original organic product. You want to make your lotion from the scratch, you want to make your soap from the scratch, we have all them. Are you getting it? This our store is just a back end, a new baby. We just open for some month, so I share for everywhere. You can see me on some hood stores. That's the superb one where I go showcase a lot. You getting it? So this one is just, we opened this one some months back, and then we try to make it up, right? So trust me on this one. We have any kind of, you know, organic you need it for us, you can place your order and you will get them. Trust me, and we ship everywhere. Canada, US, UK, Europe, just name it, Asia country, we ship everywhere. All we just need to do, just contact us via the number on your screen. Then you get it. Boom! Right on your doorstep. Right on your doorstep, baby. Trust me. So I love you all. You know, happy new month.